Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO K11 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So at first open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon and select history. Here tap on clear browsing data and you will find here basic and advanced features. So just mark those that you want to remove if you would like to stay with something smoothly unmarked, but once you want to perform a full cleanup, just mark all of them and lastly select the time range. So just enroll the options and you can remove history from past hour, past day, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. To perform a full cleanup, select all time and click on clear data. Confirm it and that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.